Oh, what's up, everybody? Back out here at AMS, test riding a Ducati 959 Panigale. Should be very interesting. Okay, initial impressions, very comfortable for a sports bike. I'm leaned over obviously, but there's not a lot of pressure on my wrist at all. Bike sounds amazing. Per Ducati. Oh, yeah. Rear brake is very good, nice bike. Let's see. Mirror's pretty decent. And I'm really feeling the Ducati red. It's very, very Italian. But I'm really trying to not become Ducati biased, but I ain't been on this bike 5 minutes and I'm already impressed. Yeah. That's a good amount of torque for the street. Okay, the bike doesn't feel super light, but doesn't feel heavy. Clutch lever is very light. I didn't think it would be that light. Yeah. Suspension is firm, but very comfortable. I mean, I did not used to really care for sport bikes too much, but my taste has slowly been changing. I mean, I love my little naked bike, don't get me wrong, but the next bike is most likely going to be a sports bike. Smooth, it's not snatchy at all. You can just roll right on it. What? Man, out of all the bikes I've ridden so far, like, nothing has the character of a Ducati. Like, what, the soul, I guess I can call it that. They put soul in these bikes. I mean, just between the sound, the feel of it, the red color. Man. And it's like, if a motorcycle is an emotional purchase, because you don't really need a bike. I mean, you get on a Ducati, it just appeals to all those emotions. Adrenaline, beauty, speed, sound, control, exoticness. Like, do you hear this? I mean, how can you say no to a Ducati? Like, how? I'm not getting any vibrations either. No vibrations in the handlebars, the grips, the foot pegs, none of that. It's just smooth. The only thing I would like a little bit more of is just on the deceleration, just a few more burbles and backfires, but man, I'm sure once you put an aftermarket slip on or full-on exhaust, that'll take care of that, no problem. So I am getting a little bit of heat on my right leg, but I'm used to my Monster 821 in the summer months, so it's the same kind of heat. Dude, I would absolutely love to take one of these on a group demo ride. Well, just a group ride in general. because it's nice by myself, but me on this with a bunch of other Panigales, epic. That's crazy. Okay, a question I have to ask myself about this bike. Could I see myself commuting on it? And the answer is yes. Definitely yes. Dude, do y'all hear that? Do you hear this bike, bro? The way this bike sounds is so wrong, it's right. I mean, if the 959 is this good, I can only imagine what the 1199, 1299, V4 Panigale, like, maybe it's like a step up in madness with each model. Like, the 959 is just a little delinquent child. The 1199 is the pissed off adolescence. 1299 just turned 18, and the V4 is the full-on sophisticated, educated hoodlum. Just, man, AMS Ducati, gotta love them. Dude, you know you're in the right place when you pull up and there's a Huracan just chilling. I didn't have too much to say, guys. Very nice bike, but y'all already knew that. Ducati 959 Panigale.